Ranking dogs making weird sounds. This has a perfect awoo. Is this a bark or a full-on scream? That voice came from the basement. Why did he sound like that though? This tiny pug is screaming from under the seat. Remember to vote your favorite one in the comments. They're literally competing for who can make better growl. He didn't bark, he screamed for help. He's reached his limit, full scream unlocked. Bro's just sitting there going, oh woo, like it's a hobby. This is the best, but which dog had the weirdest sound?